Wherever you are right now, just pause for a moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel it in the air rise through your belly, into your chest, all the way up to your throat, and just sigh it out. Do this 3, 4, 5 times until you feel yourself arrive. Till you feel yourself coming back into your body, into nature, into wherever you are right now. I'd like to invite you to take a few moments here to just, maybe if you're comfortable, close down your eyes, and we're going to just scan down from the top of our head all the way down to our feet, just starting with the crown of our head, noticing any sensations that we feel, any heat, any tingling. Maybe you don't feel anything at all, and that's perfectly okay. Just placing your attention on the crown of your head. Now moving down to your eyeballs, the space behind your eyes, your cheekbones, your jaw, the back of your head, your shoulders. And as you bring your attention to your shoulders with your next exhale, just seeing if you can relax just a little bit more. Now bringing the attention to the tops of our arms, to our forearms, our hands, our thumbs, fingertips. Moving now to the chest, to our rib cage, to our stomach. Just placing our awareness for a moment. See if there's any tension, any sensations. We're not trying to change anything, we're just noticing. Now moving through your bum, the backs of your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles. Feel your feet on the floor, on the earth beneath you. And finally, feel your toes. And now just letting go of any desire to notice anything, just relaxing. No need to do anything. Just taking this moment just for yourself. Now just returning our attention to our breath, just acting as an anchor for our place here in nature. Connecting with your inhale, noticing that slight pause at the top, the relax of your exhale, and noticing that moment of peace as you reach the bottom of your exhale and you pause again before drawing in another uplifting, beautiful breath. And I just invite you to spend the next few moments here with your breath, allowing your breath to be the anchor as you notice the rest of your senses. And if your mind becomes distracted, just return into your breath over and over again in this beautiful practice of connecting with nature.